Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: operating system, admin rights, and at least 500 megabytes free. Once done, download the matching installer, stable x64 or ARM, so you avoid compatibility issues. Run the installer and accept the default suggestions to speed setup. Make sure to enable creating a desktop shortcut if you want quick access. After installation finishes, launch Visual Studio Code immediately to verify it opens and displays the welcome page before moving on to configuration. Next, install essential extensions that match your workflow. For example, install Prettier and ESLint for JavaScript, Python for Python developers, GitLens for repository context, and Live Server for quick previews. Once installed, sign in and enable settings sync so your extensions, theme, and key bindings follow you. Then, open Preferences to set the integrated terminal shell, choose a comfortable font size, and set core editor options like tab size and format on save. These choices reduce friction as you code. Finally, open your project folder and save it as a workspace so settings persist in vscode/settings. JSON, this keeps project-specific rules intact. Configure debugging by adding a launch. JSON for your runtime and tasks. JSON to automate builds or tests, then test the debugger to ensure breakpoints hit. If something breaks, reload the window first. If that fails, disable extensions temporarily or run VS Code with the disable extensions flagged to isolate conflicts. This sequence completes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.